soul so weary when troubles come and my heart burdened be. Then I am still and wait here in the silence till you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. And I am strong.
Hello everybody,
I am on
my name is Dovision. Well, for the past 10 minutes I said I will be going live. If you are ready, that is ready. So this evening, if you can hear me, yes, if you can hear me loud and clearly, just type in the chat box, I can hear you. Share this video to empower somebody. I'm not going to take too much of your time. I'm not going to take too much of your resources and time. I'm going to just make it short. So today I want to teach on something that I normally use. I've applied for some time and I think I need to share. The last time I did a video on how I use some of my military tactics or lessons and how I apply them normally in business. Professionally, I am a flight engineer, so I deal with flight. I am always in the air. In fact, I just came back from Abuja to Ghana, Accra, and I landed around 3 o'clock. So all my friends in Abuja, sorry I couldn't pass by to drink pepper soup. All my friends, all my business partners in Abuja, I was in Abuja, but I couldn't come out because of COVID issues and stuff like that. So what I want to teach, what I want to explain, what I want to share with you this evening is how I apply certain things in my business when it comes to my flight issues. And I want you to know that it's not only, this is going to be something you might not hear before, you might know, but you will see how you can equally apply it for you. So for you to know that every object in motion, there are 4 forces that act on every body, every object, every obstacle, every object that is in motion. Even if you are in motion, you are static. There are 4 forces that are acting on you. So if you are in motion, if you are in business. So today I'm going to take my aircraft as the plane. Let me say the plane. The plane is going to be my business. It can be your profession, it can be your life, it can be your project, whatever you are on. Yes, so you can take it like that. But to me, for me, my aircraft is my life and my business. So these 4 forces that act on our lives, our businesses, our marriages, our projects, in fact, basically on the aircraft, but I translated it into my business, are 4: trust, drag, weight, and then lift. So we are going to start from weight. Everything that is weighing you down, for you to counter that, you need a lift in your business. For a business to take off, for you to be up there, for a business to climb, to get to that lift, you need that lift. So the weight is simply the force that is caused by the force of gravity, that force that is acting on the plane not to go up. Anything you throw up, there is a particular force, whether you like it or not, it is there. If you want to challenge it, you can go through your window and jump and you see. So welcome on the call. I see Gomita, I see Damilola, welcome on the call. I see a lot of people. Very soon I'll acknowledge all of you. So the drag, in fact, the weight is what is making you not to, everything that is causing you not to take decision, not to make that decision, that is keeping you at one place. Is either you are afraid, your drag can be fear, your drag can be indecisions, inactions. So you are stagnant, you are at one place. So when I take a look at my work, I say, how do I overcome this drag? This drag can be overcome by a lift. The lift is what will keep you up there, generated by your wings. These wings, when the wings of a plane, when air flow over it, it generates, but I will not go too much in the physics and the engineering. It generates a lift, and in your life, in your business, this lift will simply be your personal development you do or you go through right after school. Right after school, were you able to do some personal development? Did you get some new coaches, mentors that will breathe a new life into you? Or you are just going to be stagnant that I have an engineering degree, a business degree, and I'm not getting a business job or a job in the bank, therefore I'm not going to make any movement. That is the drag, that's the weight. That's the weight that is keeping you down. What you know already, you are refusing to die to what you know already. Therefore, you are being kept at one place. You are being kept at one place. That is holding you. That is your weight. Your weight in your life is what you know already that you think you still need to use that particular thing, but that thing is not working for you. You need that lift. You need to learn new traits, new things, follow the new trends. What is going on currently? What kind of businesses am I going to do? Am I going to add up? Everybody wants to do business, but which industry? What do you want? Some people say, I have a talent, I want to do, I have a passion. If your passion cannot be monetized, if you are not monetizing your passion, then you are wasting your time. If you can't monetize your passion, then you are wasting your time. So you need that lift. You have to get new mentors. You need to, whatever that will keep you up there is going to be character. You need to work on your character. When character is lost, all is lost. When money is lost, wealth is lost, something is lost. When health is lost, something. But when character is lost, all is lost. So if you have even generated the lift and you are up there in your business, in your organization, in your life, in your marriage, on your project, you need to work on your character to be there. That lift will keep the plane up there. So you have to maintain the lift. Now after that, on this flight is still the energy team here. The tail number for this flight is TET. The energy team flight. So you need character to hold it up there. Now, for you to move forward, what you need is trust. Now, the lift I spoke about is the force that holds an airplane in the air. Any force that holds you in the air. The wings create most of the lift used by the plane. So the wings here in your business is going to be your character, your coaches, your new books you read, your personal development, how to manage money, the books you are going to read on financial education. Is not making money. Like I posted last that you can make this money, that you can make money by accident, but you can never get wealthy by accident. So you need to work on it. You need to read books from financial gurus, people who made all the money. You need to listen to people who are above you. That will keep you up there. That's keeping the plane. They are your wings. The wings that air will flow over and will give you that lift. Therefore, you need to keep them up there. Now, how do you go forward? Being on top there, you still need to progress. You are up, but you need to move forward. So every plane in motion, every object in motion that need to move forward, you need a trust. Then what is a trust? It's a force. Trust is a force. Some people will say trust. Yeah, well, whichever way. Trust is a force that moves an airplane in the direction of the motion. Now, mind you, this is what we are doing today. You need to learn a little bit. Jim Rohn said, don't miss the moment. Don't miss the moment. So whatever I'm doing here, if you can learn something from me, we've been touring. In fact, Some of you on this call, Papa Solo and Go, you've been flying in plane. You don't even know how the plane fly. You don't know how it take off. What happens? So today is a good opportunity for you. It's a nice environment for you to know how the plane take off, Mr. Nick and stuff. So thrust is the force that moves the aircraft in the direction of motion. It is created with the propeller, the engines, the rocket. Now, the engines of an airplane generate that thrust to move forward. In your business, what's your engine? Your strategy. And that particular, the propeller, that thing in front of every aircraft you see, most of them are jet. The jet ones are inside. Those fins, they turn, you don't see. But with the propeller aircraft, you see something in front as if like fan. You see something in front like fan. That fan, that big thing that goes like fan is called propeller. Now this propeller propels the aircraft. Together with the engine is called power plant. This one gives the aircraft the thrust to go forward, to move forward. As you get a character you are sustaining, you need to be implementing productive action. Taking productive action. You will not just be busy for nothing. You just want to be busy for busy sake. If you are in real estate, what to do, actions to take. Do you talk to new customers? Do you get connected to new customers every day? Implementation of new ideas. You have the idea, you have the things. You go to, you attend all you have your lift, you get all your personal development accoutrements, you get new coaches. The coach told you A, B, C, then T. You are generating the lift. You are going up. But how to move forward is proper implementation of those ideas. Some of us, we learn and learn. We never implement. That is why we come out of school and we don't know what to do. We were not taught how to implement our ideas. So you need that trust implementation. That is work, putting in action. The only thing that can produce result for you is the action. So you need to put in the work. Productive action. Implementation of the ideas. So if you are on this call, if you are watching this, kindly share for somebody to equally learn something new and know that for something to move on in his life, you need that lift. If you have the lift, you need to propel, you need to move forward. Now, after you have the trust, anytime you are moving forward in your business, you are implementing, you are putting in action, there are some forces which will also be trying to drag you. That is the plane. When the aircraft is moving and is in the air, anytime aircraft is propelling, the engines are working, the jets are moving and they are cutting through that, there are certain resistance that is generated on the wing, on the surface of the aircraft, that is trying to draw the aircraft back. So probably maybe the pilot or the co-pilot, they put in a speed of maybe 230 or 150 nautical miles per hour or whichever way, but these forces will try to be drawing the plane back. Now in your business, it's the same. Anytime you are making a move, you are moving forward, taking action, and your business is growing. Hey, also, I see you on the call, Mr. Sekpe, Daniel Sekpe, Immense, Eva. Welcome all of you on the call. I appreciate your presence here. That tells me I am doing something. If my bosses are listening to me, then I think I'm on course. Now, anytime, like I said, you are doing something, share for other people to equally watch. Anytime you are propelling, you are excelling in your business, this drag, there is a force called drag. Now, from the aircraft perspective, what is drag? Drag is a force that acts opposite to the direction of the motion. I told you, anytime you are moving forward, something is drawing you back, is moving you in the opposite direction. It tends to slow the plane or the object or your business. Anything that is trying to slow your business, that's a drag. What are some of the things that you think if you had put in aside, you would have gone far in your business? One, your bad mindset. You talking yourself out of it. An example, okay, from the perspective again, say drag is caused by friction and differences in the air pressure. There are times you take your business to certain people, they give you certain pressures. You go to different people, they give you another objection. Some reject you in different ways by telling you other stuff. Is the same thing that's happening on that aircraft or that plane in the air. It's the same thing you are going through in your business. Drag, bad mindset, talking yourself out. You are not even believing in yourself. You don't believe in the idea you are implementing. You don't believe in the coaches that you say they are coaches. You don't believe in them, so you don't implement the things they taught you to generate that trust to move you forward. Friends, bad friends, listening to people, other people who created nothing, who constructed nothing, but they think and they claim they are giving you constructive, how do you call it, a criticism. You've never constructed anything, so I will never take any constructive criticism from you. If you really want to push me forward, you need to do something. Those are some of the drags that are pulling you back, things that are pulling you, that are not making you to move forward. Listening to others, taking advice from wrong sources. Now let me ask you a question. I always ask myself this. Mr. Daniel Sekpe watching me has done so much in the home-based business industry. So if I want something in my life, I have to go to him and go and ask for advice. Not somebody who has never done anything in that field before. If I want to be a lawyer, I can't go and be learning from a pastor. If I want to be a pastor, I can't go and be learning from my trade. I can't go and learn my trade from a politician. If I want to become a business person, I can't go and be asking permission or asking for opinions from a lawyer who ran nothing called business before. That is why a lot of people fail, because they learned entrepreneurship from lecturers who can never run tomato kiosk, cannot run lotto kiosk, cannot even sell pen, and they are teaching us entrepreneurship. So if you keep listening to these people, you will always get that drag. So take the whole business as the flight. You are the pilot. You are the co-pilot. Before you set off, you are the one going to chart your flight plan. You are the one putting in the coordinates in your flight management system. You have your pilot data, the tactical data you have to put in. These data are what you need to do daily, what you need to implement every day. These are the data you have. You have the power. Oh, Mr. My maestro, welcome online. Maestro Ali Sedu, you are welcome. Today we are taking into consideration how the plane works and relating it to our businesses, our life, our projects, whatever we do. That is the perception. That's how I build my business. I'm a military officer. So the last time, like I was saying, I did a video on how we learn how to shoot at the range and how I implemented that into my business. We call them marksmanship principles. How to aim, position and hold of the rifle or your gun must be firm enough. It should face automatically directly to the. You can go to YouTube, you can go and watch. My YouTube channel name is Dovisenyo. Everything is there. So today I'm just taking from the flight engineering perspective, first light flight maintenance perspective, and teaching you the forces that are acting on this plane in the air, and the same forces are acting upon you. Some are preventing you from achieving success in your choosing field, and some are equally aiding you to get to your destination where you want to get in your business. So today, as I summarize, my flight is got to my business. My flight is my project. My flight is my marriage. My flight is my life. And then for me to move forward in life, I need to implement. But before I implement, I need to implement the right knowledge, the right information, the right from intelligence point of view. I need to implement the right information. I have to do the implementation on the right information. Therefore, for me to get that lift, that will raise me up. I need to get new coaches, read books, personal development, not the chew and pause we did in school, not the manuals we read in school there to pass and then forget. And then I need to get new mentors, coaches, and then I'll have to work on my character. My character. My character. My character. If my character is bad, my attitude is bad, I'm going to stop. And one thing I want to end with this call is this, and this live coverage, live video is this. As the aircraft is on the ground, if you want to take off, because something, the angle of attack, the angle at which you move, you climb, can give you that steady climb, or when you climb too much, instead of, let me say in the layman, you fall, the aircraft will fall, it will stall. We call it stall. Now you will stall because the amount of air that need to go through the surface of the wing, which is your mentor, which is your personal development, which is your character, there's some number of time air must flow over it. But if you try to climb steep, that means you want to overtake your mentor. When your mentor says something, you say, oh, I have to do it like this, I have to do it like this. You are trying to climb too fast, so you will stop. That's where you start showing bad attitude, you start showing disrespect, you don't honor your mostly this one happens when we have enough lift, we have enough small lift, small thrust, and then we are trying to overtake our uplines, our mentors, our character, and then our character start to diminish, and then weight coming to bring you down. So much. I am so happy that you've all watched this video, and if you've learned something new, kindly post it up in the comment section what you've learned, how you benefited from this. I love to relate the things I do practically in day-to-day life, my work, to how to build my business. So if you are a teacher, if you are a doctor, if you are a pastor, if you are whatever your profession is, and you are building a side business, try and relate your business. Always don't think too much about the business, think about your work, how your principles work at the workplace, and relate them to your business. It will give you some kind of fun if you are implementing ideas, how to even source of ideas, how to get your mentors because of what you know, how you are relating your business, how you are relating your work, or whatever profession you learn from the school that you've not even gotten a job. Learn those principles, implement those principles, and I bet you it will help you and I so much that business will become fun. Like I wanted to say from the studios of Team Rise Africa, I want to tell you that whether you like it or not, the pandemic didn't inform us before hitting us. So this is the time for you to know that when we are saying a side business, you need to take a second look at it. It is good to have a job. It is good to have a profession. But I always tell people, your career will take you to a place where your profession cannot take you to. And if you don't know how to even figure it out, please get in touch. Send me a message. I have a platform that can elevate you financially. A platform that has been tried and tested. I've tried it and tested. It worked for me. It's working for people. I'm coaching people that it's working for. I will still keep my job. I go to work. At the beginning of this video, I just came from Abuja, landed from Abuja on a national assignment, and I am here building my business, working on myself, trying to share ideas with you. And if you like my ideas, we're going to work together. If you want to make money with your phone and data, you buy data, you are online, and you are not making money. You are making someone make money. Therefore, I want you to inbox me. If you like this video, share it. Let people know
that there's a way to make it in this era. Whether you like it or not, people are making money. Whether you like it or not, the bills must be paid. So, for the bills must be paid. If the bills are supposed to be paid, then we need to make money. So, let me show you how to make money with your phone, your data away. God bless you so much for watching this video. If you got value, share with your friends on your WhatsApp, your platforms, all the platforms you are. Copy the link, share with them for somebody also to learn. God bless you so much for watching. For the past 25 minutes I've been here, and I said God bless you, God bless your family, and certainly God bless your dreams. From the studios of Provoke Nation, my name once again, Dovi Senyo. Bye bye.
Raise me up to more than I can be. When I am on your shoulders, you raise me up to more